Hey, all wild weather here for liveweatherblogs.com. It's coming up on 1 o'clock, and here's the next clipper system that's coming through, centered right about in here as it's moving off to the east. And as you see here is the flow. Should see this starting to move in this direction in time. The coverage of snow seems to be increasing, which is interesting, and there even seems to be a little bit of forcing going on up in here in eastern Kentucky, moving into western Virginia, western North Carolina, and even right here now, just west of Philadelphia, in the Susquehanna Valley, you see some radar returns coming now. None of this is reaching the ground; it's virga, but it gives you an idea that there's a little. It's trying to tap a little bit of moisture here, coming up from the southwest. And we get this time of the year, it's February, the sun angle's a little bit higher, and heating's going on, and you even see a couple of heavier convective showers here building up in the daytime heating. If that's the case, and we might get a little bit of bonus out of this due to the heating of the sun. It sounds far-fetched, but not really. When you get heating, it heats the surface up, and even it's cold at the surface. It's much colder aloft, and maybe we can get some banding. Already you can see some intense banding coming here in the northern Ohio, so we'll see what happens. Current temperatures right now pretty cold, 20s, 30s, 19 now in Pittsburgh. Here comes another shot of cold air, and here is the water vapor map. Let's get that up real quick. Water vapor map here. Look at the last frame here. Watch this right here. You can just see right here at the very last frame, here's the storm coming along, but watch this. A plume of moisture comes up into eastern Pennsylvania. Could we be setting up for a little bit more of a surprise of, say, instead of 1 inch, maybe 2, 3 inches, and then maybe this really gets going even quicker, and New York City gets into the snow for southern New England, and this area gets pounded. We'll wait and see. It's going to be an hour-by-hour thing, a couple of things happening. I do see the low a little bit more further south, trying to dig, and you even see the polar vortex trying to swing it around. So let's see what happens here. It could be a surprise later on this evening. If everyone thinking they're getting 1 inch instead of they get 2 or 3. We'll see. This is Wild Weather for LiveWeatherBlogs.com. Everybody have a great day.